In today's video, we'll be talking about the role of Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation in revamping distressed bank in Nigeria. Get the complete project material at Project NG in PDF or doc format. All you have to do is to click on the first link, which is Get the Complete Project Now, and follow the instruction from the website. You remember at Project NG, you can request for project material, read project blog, download topic material across different departments, starting from accounting, agric engineering, architect, banking and finance, biochemistry, biology, building technology, business administration, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil engineering, computer science, cooperative economics, design and technology, economics, education, electrical and electronics engineering, English, entrepreneur and business management, estate management, fire and plant art, food technology, geography, geology, health science and technology, history, home and rural economics, hospitality management, industrial chemistry, insurance, international and diplomatic study, law, library and information science, marketing, mass communication, mechanical engineering, medical and health science, microbiology, nursing science, food technology management, pharmacy, physiology, political science, printing technology, psychology, public administration, public relation and communication, purchasing and supply, qualitative survey, science lab technology, secretary administration, sociology, staff development and distance education, statistics, urban and regional planning, zoology, thesis and dissertation across different departments. Back to today's topic, which is the role of Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation in revamping distressed bank in Nigeria. So let's go straight to the abstract. In the 10th paper, we talked about the role of Deposit Insurance Corporation play in revamping model to unfold this. This paper is went into five segments of five chapters. Chapter one talked about the introduction and the background of study. That is the chapter giving the preview of the history of Nigeria Deposit Bank. Chapter 2 talked about the literature review. That is what people had written in relation to this topic. And chapter 3 talked about the research methodology. That's how the data related to the topic were collected. The chapter 4 talked about the summary of findings. And lastly, chapter 5 talked about the recommendation and conclusion, as you can see from the different tab. So let's just do a brief review in the introduction, which is the background. As part of the reform measure taken to strengthen the supervisory sector in Nigeria Deposits Insurance Corporation was established by the Decree 22 in 1985. If you continue going, you can see the reinforcement is because of the imperative given of urge of members to license bank following the adoption of the policies for economic regulation. But in addition to this, there was also the long-term need to create a sustainable and open environment that would guarantee safety and shield banking practice against distortion funds, protecting bank deposits, especially those of small savers, and ensuring fair play among the cooperative banks. These cardinal considered actions were formed by the listing of history of the banking features in Nigeria. The experiment of other countries where the deposit insurance scheme are being operated and they are living preferring distressed financial condition of bank in particular and other financial intermediaries in financial sector in general. A corroborated study of distress in Nigeria financial study was conducted by Corporation and Central Bank of Nigeria, and its finding corroborated that the earlier held view that distress among the bank was precipitated by the complex set of interrelated problems that had for long afflicted the industry. This include poor management capital inadequacy and poor lending It is, if we come to the statement of the problem, you can understand that before the advent of Nigeria Deposit Corporation, many banks in Nigeria has undergo this threat and how to be beyond owing to the regulation of fraud in banking sector. There exists no organized body that is monitoring the activity of this bank, hence means management and fraud because the order of the day. Of the body people without solid capital base come together and form bank, and this leads to distress and liquidation in the event of any slight or small shake in the capital base of the above, and many more bring about the information on deposit insurance corporation. So if we come to the 1.3 where the objective of study was listed, you now understand that the following objective of the study, which the researcher has designed to achieve, are one is to show the possible way of tracking. Two, to know how they have provided funds to the digital bank. Three, to describe the implication of bank failure to the economy. Four, to know all the digital bank enjoyed this will provided by NDIC since inception. And five, to know how they help and in effect of digital bank to the economy. So you can easily download this full work in PDF on or Word format by visiting Project NG and selecting banking and finance, which this particular topic is listed on, and filling your data to download. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.